Before installation, ensure there's safe loft access, adequate space, and power supply available. Suspend the Drimaster ECO unit using the nylon cord provided. This positioning helps capture solar gain and keeps ducting runs short and efficient. Locate the diffuser centrally in the hallway, ideally 1 metre away from smoke or CO2 alarms. Attach the ducting between the fan and diffuser. Use the supplied cable ties and ensure a good seal to prevent air loss. The heater fits directly to the diffuser, warming air at the point of entry and reducing heat loss. Install the G4 filters into the main housing. These remove dust and pollen, ensuring clean air supply. Before leaving the loft, check cable security, duct seals, and that the filters are correctly seated.
If you're an installer or a contractor, don't miss our free trade account. Get bulk discounts, priority technical support, and fast project quotes, all from the ventilation experts at iCells.